हेलो IQers। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं WWF के बारे में। WWF stands for World Wide Fund for Nature. It was established on 1969. The headquarters are in Gland, Switzerland. The founders of WWF World Wide Fund for Nature are Prince Philip, Sir Peter Markham Scott, Prince Bernhard, Julian Huxley, Edward Max Nicholson. The WWF works to help communities to conserve the natural resources they depend upon, transform markets and policies towards sustainability, and protect and restore species and their habitats. The CEO of WWF World Wide Fund for Nature is Carter Roberts.